Hi there, welcome to BitSync. In this video, I will be showing you how to install Ubuntu in WSL, that is Windows Subsystem for Linux, on your Windows 11 machine. Just a quick note before we dive in, WSL is available only on Microsoft Windows 11. If you're running any other version, don't worry, your options are to use VM software like VMware or VirtualBox from Oracle, or even dual booting Windows with Linux. But let's face it, dual booting can be a bit complicated and could pose risks to your data on your storage devices. So, please make sure that you know what you are doing. If I get 3,000 plus requests in my comments to show how to dual boot Linux with Windows 10, I will do that too. For now, let's proceed with WSL in Windows 11. First up, we need to turn on a few Windows features to get WSL up and running on our systems. Before we dive in, let's make sure you've saved all your important work. Why? Because Windows can be a bit unpredictable. It might ask you to reboot, or it might just decide to do it on its own. Just kidding, but seriously, let's avoid any risks to your work. Anyway, head over to the Windows search box or whatever you like to call it. After going there, we type, turn Windows features on or off, and click on this thing as I am. In the window that appears, you'll need to find and check the box for Virtual Machine Platform. Then, do the same for Windows Subsystem for Linux. Once both are checked, click on OK. It will install necessary files and stuff on your computer now. Once that's done, it will ask you to restart your computer. Make sure all your work is saved and then hit Restart Now. Let it reboot, and we'll be ready to continue to install Ubuntu on WSL finally. Alright, now open Terminal, PowerShell or CMD in Administrator mode. I will be using PowerShell, cause why not? Now, let's check if WSL is up by typing WSL and hit Enter. It will print user MNT, host, C, Windows, System 32 hash like on my screen on your terminal. If that's that, you're good. If not, let me know in the comments what's your error, or just chat GPT it. If you're good to go, let's install Ubuntu now. Type in WSL install Ubuntu, just like I'm typing it, and hit Enter. It will now install Ubuntu on your system. I had already tested this, so it is doing it faster, otherwise it takes time. Once the installation is done, you'll be prompted to set a username for Ubuntu. Don't worry, this won't affect your Windows account. Type in whatever you like, but just to avoid any issues that might occur, make sure you don't start with a number or any special character, and start with only an alphabet, and don't leave spaces in between multiple words just in case. Next, you'll need to set a password for your Ubuntu subsystem. This password won't be visible as you type, so make sure you remember it. After typing it in, you'll need to confirm it by entering it again. And that's it, Ubuntu is now installed on your system. If it shows you what it's showing me, you're good to go and Ubuntu is now installed on your system as a subsystem. Now, let's update Ubuntu. Close this window and open the Ubuntu terminal from Windows Search by typing Ubuntu. If you prefer, you can continue from this window. Let's update it now by typing in sudo apt update. It will ask you the password you just made for Ubuntu subsystem, which won't be visible as you type it on the terminal. Hit Enter once you type it, and it will get all the latest packages for your Ubuntu subsystem. Now, type in sudo apt upgrade. It might or might not ask for password again. It will now get all the latest packages to be installed. Once it asks you if you want to use additional space in disk, you want to type Y and hit Enter if you want to update your Ubuntu, or you will not be able to install the updates. Alright, now if you said yes, it will install all updates and your Ubuntu subsystem is now up to date, hopefully. Now, to access Ubuntu's files, all you need to do is go to this PC, then type $WSL in the search box as I am, and hit Enter. You will be taken to a network folder. This is because Ubuntu's virtual storage is detected as a network drive. You can click on Ubuntu and access all the files in Ubuntu. You can copy and paste to and from to this folder easily. If you want it to be more accessible, you can go back to where you saw the Ubuntu folder as I am doing. Then right-click on Ubuntu, click on Map Network Drive. Select a letter for your drive. I am selecting U for Ubuntu, and click on Finish. Now, your Ubuntu drive is mounted as a network drive and you can easily access it from this PC, as you can see. That's it. Stay tuned. Hit like and subscribe if you like this video and do comment on if you have any suggestions or doubts or errors occurring. I will be surely helping you all out as soon as possible. And yes, I am using text-to-speech service. It's not my own voice, so please don't roast me on how the words are spoken. Peace.